All right, so got some more work on the Scion TC. It's having a random slow start or very hesitated. You'll just keep cranking it and then it'll just like kind of sputter a little and then stall, or it'll start fine. It's been very intermittent, but it definitely has some hesitation. I pulled all of the coils except for this one I put back in. I just wanted to show you all. That's the reason. This is saturated with oil. So definitely for a bad connection. I'm gonna pull the plugs. We'll see how those are. I'll do another video showing them as well.